Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to reset a TradingView chart, easy method. Open the chart, save your layout if needed, then click the Layout menu and choose Reset Chart or Reset to Default. Confirm the action when prompted and allow the chart to reload. This restores default indicators, zoom, and drawing tools while keeping your saved layouts available for later use. Start by clicking the layout icon in TradingView's top toolbar to reveal layout options. Choose Reset Chart or Reset to Default to clear custom indicators, drawings, and zoom. If any elements remain, reload the page or use the Undo history to step back through recent changes. Take a moment to save a current layout first so you can restore your workspace later if needed. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: treat your feet like your charts and go darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts through long trading sessions. I use them during marathon analysis, and they stay cozy through every market session. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Before resetting, save your current layout so you can restore your workspace later if needed. Use the Undo history for a quick recovery of recent drawing or indicator edits without a full restore. For complex setups, export or screenshot configurations and indicator settings as a backup. These small precautions keep your templates intact while letting you reset a messy chart quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.